Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, we were dealing with the chapter 11, that is marketing management. Last class we saw what is marketing mix. We saw that there are 4 P's which are involved in this marketing mix, and they were product, price, physical distribution and promotion. Today we are going to discuss one of the marketing mix, that is product. In marketing, product is a mixture of tangible and intangible attributes which are capable of being exchanged for a value with ability to satisfy customer needs. So product is something, we can say it's a combination of tangible as well as intangible attributes or characteristics which are capable of being exchanged for a value. So this product is something which we can exchange for some values, and it has the ability to satisfy customer needs. Okay. From the customer's point of view, what is a product? For them, a product is a bundle of utilities which is purchased because of its capability or capacity to provide satisfaction of certain needs. So product is something which satisfies their needs. So it gives the customer utility, a bundle of utilities. Okay. There are 3 types of benefits which a customer seeks to satisfy from the purchase of the product. So which are that benefit which they derive when they purchase this product? The first benefit is functional benefits. So if you are purchasing a motorbike, it is providing a transportation. So that benefit you are deriving, that is the function performed by a motorbike, is transportation. So a functional benefit is derived. Then because you have purchased that bike, your self-esteem have there is a increase in your self-esteem. So a psychological benefit is there attached with that product. So we can say that psychological benefit is also derived. Then the third benefit is social benefit. So among your friends, you are now you can show your motorbike in front of your friends. Okay, so there is a benefit of social benefit is also derived when you purchase a bike. So these are the 3 that is benefit which a customer normally derive when they purchase any of the product. Now here is the classification of a product. Product can be classified into consumer product as well as industrial product. So as we are the consumer of the product which we purchase for final consumption is known as consumer product. So they are again classified into 2, that is durability product and shopping efforts involved. So according to their nature, that is durability basis, they are again classified into 3. They are non-durable, durable and services. So durability basis, 3 classification are there, and shopping efforts involved, in that basis there are 3 sub-classification, that is convenience product, shopping product and specialty product. So this is classification related to consumer product. Then we have industrial product also. So let us have a explanation about these classification. As you saw, under consumer product, the sub-classification are shopping efforts involved. So you can see here shopping effort involved. So there are 3 sub-classification. Let us see what are they. On the basis of time and efforts, buyer are willing to spend in the purchase of product. So shopping effort means how much time they are spending, how much effort they are taking to purchase one product. According to that, the sub-classification have been made. So first sub-classification under shopping effort involved is convenience product. So these products are purchased at convenient location with least effort of time. For example, toothpaste, soap, then such product which that is salt, sugar. So these are the product which are purchased with least effort and time. We don't think much when we purchase sugar, isn't it? We don't waste time or effort to purchase this product, and we purchase this sugar or salt nearby place. We don't go to town to purchase these things, isn't it? So with convenient location and with least effort and time, we purchase this product. Then the second characteristic feature of this product is convenient product is this product have a regular and continuous demand, as these generally come under the category of special product, essential product. So as the convenient product comes under the essential product, there is a regular and continuous demand for this product. So toothpaste, sugar, salt and all that come under essential product, and they have continuous demand for that product. Okay. Then this product have small units of purchase and low price. So we don't go for a bulk purchase of this such product. Sugar itself we may purchase 1 kilo, 2 kilo, 5 kilo only. We don't go for a big unit of purchase. And usually the unit cost of this, that is its price, is also low. They have standardized price, as most of this product are branded product. If you notice, the consumer product coming under convenience product are most of them are branded product. Okay, in case of soap and detergent powder and all that, it all are branded product. So it have a standardized price. Then the competition in this product is high, as supply is greater than the demand. So you can see that in the soap itself, the product like soap, there is great competition for this product, because the supply is greater and demand is not as high as supply. So there are different competitors who are trying hard to win the loyalty of the customers. Next is the sales promotion schemes or short-term incentives such as contests, discount offers, etc. is important for marketing of such product. So as I told you that competitor is very high in this such product, they go for various sales promotion schemes. Okay. The next classification is shopping product. So buyers devote considerable time to compare the quality, price, style, suitability at several stores before making final purchase. So if you are going to purchase a car, you don't just go to the one shop and purchase it. You go to number of showrooms and see the quality, price, style and suitability. Everything will be compared before making a final purchase. So that comes under the shopping product. So shopping characteristics of shopping products are generally of durable nature, that is for long time they will be used for a long their nature is of durable nature, and they give a benefit for a long duration of time. The unit price of such product is very high. So a car that is such the product coming under shopping product are of high prices. As this product have high unit price, customer normally compare the product of different companies before making a selection. So these things are done by us, isn't it? When we purchase a television, car and motorbike and such things, we go for a comparison of companies with the price and style, and many other things are compared. Purchase of shopping products are generally pre-planned. We pre-plan before we go for purchasing of this product. It is not just simply going to the walk and we saw this and purchase it. We pre-plan before making a shopping product. Then retailers play an important role, as persuasive effort is needed to convince the buyers to purchase them. As this product almost a retailer, he plays a great role in convincing the product consumer to purchase that product. Okay, so your salesman or the retailer have a great role to play, because he have to convince the buyer to purchase, make a purchase of that product. The third type of consumer product is the specialty product, which have certain special features because of which people make special effort in their purchase. The buyer are willing to spend a lot of time and effort on purchase of such product. The best example to be quoted over here is the collection of artwork. Okay, rare artwork. So the demand for such products are very less, but the number of people buy this product is also relatively limited. These products are generally costly and their unit price is also very high. These products are available for sale at few places, as the number of customers is small and are willing to take extra effort in the purchase of these products. So we can say some antique products and all that. Some people like to purchase these antique products. So these products are available for sale in only few places. So number of customers is also less for such a product, and they will take extra effort to purchase this product because of the because they feel very attached to such product, and they will take extra effort to purchase such product. An aggressive promotion is required for sale of this product. So heavy advertisement is required, or we have to make them know that such special product is available. After sale service is also important for such specialty products. Okay, so this is the three product which come under the consumer product.